right, weather weenies. Tomorrow we leave. We're heading out to go storm chasing, but we had to do a last minute city change. We've been looking at the forecast models, and we'll go to those too, and I'll talk about it. But here would be our first day of chasing, and we were supposed to fly into Kansas City, Missouri, which is like over here. And that would just be a long drive, 11 hours to Lubbock, Texas. So we said, you know what, let's just go ahead and fly into Lubbock, especially because when we look at the next days, it looks like we're going to be west. So if we're taking a look out at the Midwest, this is this is like late Tuesday night, seeing storms pop all around that area. So it gives us a north-south option. And then if we look at the next night, we see that they're a little bit further north, but that's easy. That's an easy jaunt Wednesday night up to there, or we could go further south, like south of Abilene or wherever. So we'll just have to see what the forecast models hold. But if you keep looking, it's this line that keeps forming in the same area. So we decided Lubbock was going to be the way to go. We all changed all of our flight plans, and so that's where we're going. So I'm doing the last loads of laundry now. Now, space on these trips is key because, one, I don't want to be traveling with a lot of stuff. I want to be agile and be able to change flights. I don't want to have a checked bag because if I need to like move quickly, I don't want to have to deal with that. Also, there's a whole bunch of us in one car and there's just not a lot of space. You have to be mindful of it. So space is kind of important. And that's really hard when you need clothes for a week, plus like a camera bag and a tripod and a laptop. So I can only have 2 carry-on bags. So I'm trying to find like the best combination. And yesterday, some of my favorite weather weenies gave me the most awesome gift. Driver's gloves. I am wearing those bad boys every second behind the wheel. So I've also grabbed my raincoat. I've got my phone holder so I can check navigation or check weather while I'm driving and not be touching my phone. An emergency pack. You never know what kind of scenes you're going to be coming upon. So we've got like some medical stuff in here and some gloves. So many shoes. So, when we're not chasing and we're kind of waiting for the day, it's nice to have something a little bit more comfortable on. Maybe I can go for a walk and get some exercise this week. It's just a laughable thought, but I'm going to try. But once we get chasing, the boots go on. That's because I don't know where I'm going to be. I may be in a ditch somewhere watching a storm. There could be spiders, tarantulas, scorpions, and stuff like that. So I want to make sure I'm safe. Also, God forbid we come upon any scenes where somebody needs help. If there's any debris or something like that, you don't want to be walking around in flip-flops. You want nice, good, secure, safe boots. So eventually you're going to throw all this into those bags and make sure that I have everything I need and not too much, and I have just the right amount of space. Flying to Lubbock, chase kicks off hopefully as soon as we hit the ground. And so I will definitely be keeping you guys in the loop of what's going on. Make sure you follow Stormfront Freaks on YouTube as well so you get notified every time we go live.